Hello guys. We are here to teach you about YouTube optimization. How to execute your video optimization and some basic tips. Let's start our topic. First, we talk about YouTube optimization. What is YouTube optimization? YouTube optimization is the process of optimizing your YouTube videos and channel to improve its ranking on YouTube. Search engines like YouTube have a complex algorithm to determine how your video will appear in YouTube rankings. YouTube optimization can help increase important metrics such as follower count, brand awareness, website traffic, and revenue. YouTube SEO is the practice of optimizing your channel pages, playlists, metadata, descriptions and videos. You can optimize your video for the YouTube search engine as well as other search engines. Users can view your video through Google, Bing, etc. YouTube optimization focuses on how many viewers your video attracts and how your video ranks in a particular category. When brands optimize for YouTube search trends, data shows they've seen a 50% year-over-year increase in watch time over the past 3 years. How to execute your video optimization. A key component of optimizing YouTube is harnessing the power of your video text in the form of captions, closed captions, and subtitles. Here, it is very important to focus on using relevant keywords on your pages, which will help you increase your SERP ranking in your audience. Okay, now I'm going to share some optimizing tips with you guys. YouTube optimizing tips. Improved video descriptions and meta descriptions. Add closed captions to video using SRT files. Add cards to promote other related videos. Use well-researched target keywords in a natural way. Choose the category most relevant to your video. Include keywords in the following areas to increase your opportunity at ranking for them. Title, thumbnails, description, transcripts, translations, tags, links, call to action. Google Trends for YouTube optimization success. In order to increase your opportunity of appearing in search trends, consider the following. How much time do users spend watching your videos? Will users click to watch after seeing your CTA? Where do users watch your videos from? Do the video's descriptions and meta descriptions match the user's query? YouTube Search Trends ranks your videos based on their attractiveness to viewers. Metrics used to calculate YouTube rank include total and current views, view growth rate, where the views came from, and video length. YouTube will select the video that is most relevant to viewers and best reflects the broad audience on the platform. The most important elements of video content optimization are keyword research, analysis, and execution. Use all of these tips to start improving your YouTube videos rankings. All right. Well, this is everything for this video. Thank you much for joining us today. Give this video a like if you learned something. If you something valuable out of it. If you have tips now that you are going to start implementing on your next video, and of course consider subscribing. If you learn even more about to grow here on YouTube, or you are interested in starting your own online business, which is the main thing I will talk about on my channel. We are Kinder Optimization. Thank you so much for joining us today. I will see you next week with another video.